Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Student, today I am taking exercise number 4.4 of chapter number 4 NCERT class 9 mathematics linear equation in two variable. What is the mean of the linear equation? That means power of variable will be equal of 1, and what is the mean of the two variables? Just like x and y. That means the equation इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक आपको आ रहा है. नाउ वी मूविंग विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. गिव द ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन? दैट मीन्स अ ग्राफ of y equal to 3. What is the mean of the y equal to 3? That means a equation. यहाँ पर मुझे equation है, equation will be equal of y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, that means the value of x will be equal of 0, because देखिए I written y will be equal of 3. Here the value of x is absence, so value of x will be equal of 0. Solution required in two category. First one, in one variable, in two variable. What is the mean of the one variable? One variable, that means represented by the line, simple line representation and graphical representation. Geometrical representation basically divided into two category. First one is the in one variable, and second one is based on the in two variable. One variable, that means a line representation. In two variable, that means a graphical representation. Student, now we taking y equal to 3. What is the mean of the y equal to 3? Again I told x will be equal of 0, y equal to 3 such that x will be equal of 0. The coordinate will be equal of 0, 3. Here the value of y will be equal of 3 and value of x will be equal of 0. Now we taking the heading in one variable. One variable. What is the mean of the one variable? That means a line representation. But in the case in two variable, that means a graphical representation. Student, a simple line, ठीक है, सिंपल लाइन रिप्रेजेंट, ठीक है, y इक्वल टू 3. दैट मीन्स वी टेकिंग ओनली y एक्सिस. दिस इज पॉजिटिव y एक्सिस, दिस इज नेगेटिव y एक्सिस. लेट वी कंसिडर origin will be equal of 0, first cut, second cut and third cut. First, that means a -1, second -2 and -3. Student, here in one variable we have to represent y equal to 3. Here y will be equal of 3, may be written y equal to 3. A simple number line representation are known as in one variable, but in the case of the two variable, student, we have to draw a two lines. That means a graphical representation method, horizontal line and vertical line. In the case of horizontal line, we take positive x-axis and negative x-axis. In the vertical line, we take positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Now both are perpendicular to each other. Intersecting point naming will be equal of O. That means the origin, first cut, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6. Again -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. That means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Student, from the y-axis we getting the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Student, -4, -3, -2, -1 and this is a 0. we getting the equation will be equal of 3. That means y will be equal of 3. What is the mean of the y equal to 3? Introduce only y axis. That means y equal to 3. Here we getting a simple value y will be equal of 3. But in the case of two variable, what is the mean of the two variable? That means a parallel. Take a line which parallel to x-axis. When y equal to anything, that means a parallel to x-axis. When x equal to anything, that means a parallel to y-axis. Now this is y equal to 3, that means a 0 comma 3. Now student, here x will be equal of 0. Now we have to find the value of x equal to 3. That means we getting the point 3 comma 3, and again we getting the point minus 3 comma 3. Student, here we declare minus 3 comma 3. That means the value of y will be equal of 3. Here the value of y will be equal of 3, and here also the value of y will be equal of 3. These type of representation are known as in two variable representation. Student, now we taking the another question number second of the exercise number 4.4. What is the demand of question? Give the geometrical representation. Geometrical representation, that means a number line representation and graphical representation, which known as the one variable and two variable, where equation given that in one variable we taking a heading in one variable and in two variable. What is the mean of the one variable? That means a number line representation. In two variable, that means a graphical representation with the parallel line. Now equation will be equal of 2x plus 9 equal to 0. Student, here y is absent, so the value of y will be equal of 0. That means we getting the value only in the form of x. समझिए, 2x plus 9 equal to 0 such that 2x will be equal of negative 9 and x will be equal of minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 will be equal of 9 by 2. That means a half of 9 will be equal of 4.5. Student, in one variable, that means a single line representation. Here we used a arrow. What is the mean of the arrow? Arrow represent the line. Without arrow, that means a line segment. Now we take arrow, that is a 0. What is the mean of the 0? That means a initial point for the number line. We taking only x axis because here x will be equal of minus 4.5. X will be equal of minus 4.5. So take a 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on. X will be equal of negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And here 1, 2, and so on. We have to draw x will be equal of minus 4.5. 4.5, that means center of 4 and 5. Student, here we represent the value of x will be equal of negative 4.5. Again I told 2x plus 9 equal to 0 such that positive convert into the form of negative, into divide the half of 9 will be equal of 4.5 such that x will be equal of minus 4.5. We taking only number line only for the x-axis, that means a positive x-axis, negative x. Here x will be equal of 0 such that positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and so on. But we have only the value of negative, so we take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. What is the mean of the 4.5? That means the half of 4 and 5 are known as the 4.5. Student, now we taking again same equation, that means that 2x plus 9 equal to 0 such that 2x will be equal of -9. मतलब ये मैं पार्ट वापस से नहीं कर रहा हूँ. For x will be equal of negative 4.5. We have to draw in two variable. What is the mean of the two variable? That means a graphical representation, Cartesian graphical representation. We take a two perpendicular line. First one are known as horizontal line, that means a positive x-axis and negative x-axis, and this is known as positive y-axis and negative y-axis. The intersecting point are known as origin, will be equal of 0 0. Now we taking positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. ठीक है, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7 and so on. -1, -2, sorry, +3, +4, +5, +6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Student, one more time. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Student, we have to draw negative -4.5. That means the center of 4 and 5. This is known as -4.5. So we have to draw a parallel line by use of scale. आप ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, बट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ आप पहले ड्रॉ मत कीजिएगा. वी गेटिंग अ पॉइंट. ध्यान से देखिए, हियर 3 and here -3. That means a simple perpendicular line from the point 3 and -3. This point will be equivalent of -4.5, -3, and this will be equivalent of -4.5, 3, and this will be equal of -4.5, 0. That means -4.5, -4.5. The line parallel to y-axis. So this expression is known as two variable expression, and these expression are known as one variable expression. I hope you getting the solution of this question. Student, now we taking the another question as a form of example number 9. Give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 1 will be equal of x minus 3. Student, we taking 2x plus 1 will be equal of x minus 3 such that 2x positive convert into the form of negative and positive convert into the form of negative such that plus minus minus will be equal of -4. Student, we getting the value of x will be equal of -4. The value of y is absent, so y will be equal of 0. Student, now the demand of question, draw a geometrical representation in one variable. That means a simple number line. In the case of the number line, we used a x-axis or y-axis, but according to the question, we taking positive x-axis and negative x-axis. Let we consider O is any center. +1, +2, +3, but negative side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. And other side we taking +1, +2, +3 and so on. Student, now x will be equal of -4. The value of x will be equal of negative side 4. That means x will be here. We defined x will be equal of minus 4. This is a geometrical representation based on one variable. Now we taking the second part of question in a two variable. In the case of two variable, that means graphical representation between the two perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, that means a x-axis and y-axis. Let me consider this is x, this is x dash, and that is y dash. Let me consider O is a origin, then positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That means now upper side positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Student, here we getting the result will be equal of minus 4. What is the mean of x equal to minus 4? X will be equal of positive 4, x will be equal of negative 4, such that we getting value minus 4 comma 0. Student, now what is the value of y? Let y will be equal of anything. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 depends on you. Let me consider y will be equal of 2. Y equal to 2. That means we draw a perpendicular from y equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2 and the perpendicular from the point 4. Then we got a simple straight line. हमको क्या मिली है? एक simple straight line. A line, a coordinate here. We decide the coordinate minus 4 comma 2 and here minus 4 comma minus 2. This is represent 2x plus y will be equal of x minus 3 in two variable, and this is a expression for one variable. I hope you getting the proper solution related to exercise number 4.4, question number first, second with example number 9. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel. Student, please like and subscribe.